Hello, my name is Sarah Jane Chapman. I am a certified yoga therapist, and we are going to do a practice to help you if you're having any knee pain or knee troubles. Now, I am going to suggest that before you do this practice, you maybe rub a little bit of oil or massage something into your knees to give them a little bit more nourishment. Traditionally, we would use sesame oil. You can also use sunflower oil. If you have coconut oil, that is completely fine. And we're going to start by lying on our backs. You're not going to need any props for today. Knees bent, feet flat on the floor. If you'd like, you can kind of tuck your shoulder blades under so your heart is nice and open to the ceiling or the sky. And just begin by finding some simple inhales and exhales. Maybe begin to notice if your inhale is longer than your exhale, or if your exhale is longer than your inhale. And maybe notice if there is a pause between your inhale and exhale. And then next time you exhale, have all the air release. And then as you inhale in your mind, count the length of that inhale. And then as you exhale, have it be the same length. And then just continue like that a few breaths on your own. Even inhale and exhale. And then next time you inhale, have your right arm go up through the air and extend your right leg long against the floor, flexing your right foot at the same time. As you exhale, you'll take your right arm back down and drag your right foot back in. As you inhale, take your left arm up through the air. As you extend your left leg long, flex the left foot when you extend. Exhale, you're going to lower your left hand as you pull your left foot back in. And we're going to repeat this a few times. Inhale, right arm extends up as your right foot extends out. Exhale, right arm lowers as your as your right foot comes back in. Inhale, left arm extends up as your left leg extends out, flexing the left foot. Exhale, lower your left arm as you pull your left knee in. We're going to repeat this a few times. So inhale, extend the right side. Don't forget to extend that right foot, flexing that right foot. Exhale, pull the right arm and knee back in. Inhale, left arm goes up as the left leg goes out. Exhale, left arm lowers as left leg pulls back in. You're going to repeat this 4 more times. Again, coming back into your breath now that you know what the movement is. See if your inhale and exhale can be the same. Maybe you come back to that same count as you did a little bit earlier. Maybe you also practice just pausing at the top of the breath and at the bottom of the breath. So when you extend your limbs out long, you pause there just for a moment. And when you bring them back in, you pause for just a moment. Let's do 2 more full rounds like that. One more full round. One more time on each side. And then just take a few moments here again, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Feel the support of the floor underneath you.
And then I'm going to have you pull your knees in towards your chest and take your hands onto your kneecaps. Again, massage the kneecaps, giving a little love to this area of your body. Knee pain can sometimes mean that you might be putting a little too much effort into something and need to have a little more intentional rest. So take your hands onto your kneecaps. As you inhale, you can relax your feet. You're going to take your legs away from your body. Exhale, we're going to do a shh. Inhale, take your legs away from your body. Exhale. And we're going to repeat this a few times on your own. Last one.
Legs all the way to the ground. If you'd like to extend both legs out, place anything underneath your knees. I'm going to put a bolster. You can also use just a pillow underneath my knees to give them a little bit of support. And then allow yourself to settle in here. Feel the safety and structure of the floor and maybe the prop beneath you. Releasing any efforting around your breath and around your body. Imagine that you are lying on a large, smooth, warm rock. Maybe you can feel the sun on your skin. Maybe you can hear sounds of nature around you. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, no one to be. All you have to do is lie, hear, and receive. The knees are also connected to the astrological sign of Capricorn. So if you found that you have been working a little too hard on something, it might be connected to where Capricorn falls in your birth chart, or maybe not. This is also a beautiful practice to do during a Capricorn full moon. Just for now, whenever you're watching this, releasing any extra effort. Just practice allowing yourself to be. To close out this practice, you can extend your arms outward. On an inhale and an exhale, wrap your arms around yourself in a big hug. Once more, inhale, extend your arms out. And exhale, wrap your arms around yourself in a big hug. Feel free to do this practice anytime your knees are giving you some pain or you need an extra opportunity to relax. Thanks so much. Let me know if you'd like any other body part that would like some extra attention or that's been causing you pain recently, and I will make a practice for that.